Welcome to this brief overview of the creating a new search from scratch in your LexisNexis Newsdesk trial account. In this session, we will walk through creating a basic search and then building on that basic search to make it progressively more complex, and in the process, focusing the results to something meaningful. Let's start by clicking the search option at the top of the screen. For this first option, we will perform a search that is very similar to one virtually everyone has run in a search engine like Google or Bing. As you can see, we have quickly received almost 100,000 articles, tweets, or posts that contain the word Tesla. As with all search engines, this could be Tesla Motors, Tesla the van, Tesla the scientist, and any variation of the word Tesla. This is a good starting point and is similar to the kinds of searches you are already used to doing. Now that we have a starting point, let's take a look at some of the options available to you in Newsdesk that will allow you to refine your search without having to be an expert Boolean logic query builder. Don't worry though, if that's you, we can go there too, and we'll show you some of those in just a moment. To begin with, let's look at the content types. Since we selected all media types, we are going to get everything, anywhere in the internet that mentions the word Tesla. But let's focus that in a little bit on just the online news by unchecking all and then just checking online news. At any time, once we have made a change, clicking the magnifying glass will update the results. Much better, about half of what we had before. Now you will notice on the left that there are several filters, much like you have seen on many e-commerce sites like Amazon and Best Buy. Like those, these will populate with ways to be able to slice the data specific to the current result set. We won't go through all of them in this session, but let's scroll down and find our company filter. This allows me to narrow my results to just those that are talking about Tesla Motors. Clicking it once and then clicking Refine will update my results. You can continue to use any of the nearly 40 filters to refine your result sets from this screen. Let's suppose, however, you are interested only in Tesla's new pickup truck. You can add that term as well as the AND connector to narrow the results just to those articles with Tesla and pickup. For a full description of the search connectors and terms, you can go to the Help found by clicking the menu under the name and choosing Help. One of the search terms described there is the Start Search Terms term, which requires the terms I am looking for to be within the first so many words of the beginning of the article. For this example, let's use the first 25 words. And since we are showing every article, including duplicates, where the article is published in multiple sources, let's change that just to remove some of those duplicates. And with that, we have very quickly gone from over 200,000 results down to less than 50 over the last 100 days, specifically about the Tesla pickup. Click on Save to save your search in My Content. We hope you have found this introduction to basic LexisNexis Newsdesk searching helpful. For additional questions about this tool, please reference the additional training videos, the help guide, or call our client services support number. Thank you.